If you're tired of cookie-cutter analytics platforms that track way more than you want, you might want to check out Plausible Analytics. It positions itself as a privacy-focused alternative, but does it really deliver on that promise? Let's dive in. Plausible Analytics is designed to give you website insights without compromising user privacy. Right off the bat, it offers a clean and straightforward dashboard, which is refreshing compared to the cluttered interfaces of traditional analytics tools. You can track essential metrics like page views, unique visitors, and referrer data, all while ensuring that no personal data is collected. What stands out is its commitment to GDPR compliance, meaning you can use it without worrying about legal repercussions. It's aimed at small to medium-sized website owners who want to understand their audience without the baggage of invasive tracking. However, while it covers the basics effectively, some might find the lack of more advanced features a bit limiting. For example, there's no built-in A/B testing or extensive segmentation options, which can be a drawback for more seasoned marketers. Overall, it feels user-friendly, but there are some gaps worth noting. On the plus side, Plausible Analytics excels in its simplicity and privacy-first approach. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for anyone to get started. Plus, it's refreshing to see a tool that doesn't bombard you with ads or upsell tactics. However, it's not without its downsides. The lack of advanced features could frustrate users who are used to more robust analytics solutions. Additionally, while it's marketed as a privacy-focused tool, some might still be skeptical about how data is handled, given the broader context of online privacy. Pricing could also be a concern for some, especially if you have a high-traffic site, as it operates on a subscription model based on the number of sites you track. Ultimately, it may not suit those looking for in-depth analytics or extensive customization. In conclusion, if you prioritize privacy and want an easy-to-use analytics tool, Plausible Analytics is worth considering. However, if you need advanced features or detailed insights, you might want to explore other options. It's a solid choice for casual users but may leave power users wanting more.